Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our new video. Let's dive deep into the latest in tech news. So let's start the video. Realme certifies GT Neo6 with 120W charging. Realme is preparing to launch the GT Neo6 SE smartphone with the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset. And now we learned another Neo 6 phone is also on its way, lightly packing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The device with model number RMX 3852 was just certified by 3C in China, the listing confirming 120W charging.
A report out of China suggests the new phone will be called Realme GT Neo6. This isn't the first time we hear about the GT Neo6. Last month, Tipster digital chat station suggested the phone would come with a 144 Hz AMOLED display and 1220p resolution. The GT Neo6 was spotted at Eurofins with the same charging rates but under the model number RMX 3851, and some believe the phone will sell as Realme GT6 internationally. Realme launching a GT phone with 120W rate could be seen as a downgrade since the GT5 and GT3 both had versions with the insate 240W rate that filled the battery from 0 to 100% in just over 10 minutes. The international market rebranding is not yet confirmed, so we are still in rumor territory.